Hi guys, my name is Yasmi. This is my kitchen taste and bloom, and you are welcome or welcome back. Today we are making French fries. They are crispy. We are going to be mimicking what KFC serves, and if you follow these steps, you're going to get the same results at home. Stay with me. So here I have my Irish potatoes. So of course you can use any potatoes of your choice, but traditionally or normally for French fries we use Irish potatoes, okay? So I'm using the potato peeler because that's what I find easiest to use. You can use the knife as well. After that, I'll be using the knife to cut out any unwanted parts from the potatoes, and then I'll go ahead to thinly slice them, or if not thinly slice, cut them up like you'd want them, okay? So I'm going for the chips, looking like what KFC serves or we normally serve at our homes and in our restaurants. So yes, as you can see in the video, that's exactly what I'm doing. So after all of my potatoes are cut up nicely, I'm going to go ahead and transfer it into a bowl and wash it thoroughly. I washed it 3 times just to get rid of a lot of the starch, okay? Hello, if this is your first time here, my name is Yasmin. As I said in the beginning, you're so welcome. Please consider subscribing and joining this amazing blooming family. And if you're a returning subscriber, I just want to say thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. So after my potatoes have been washed nicely, I have some hot water here. I'm adding some salt and I'm going to transfer my potatoes into the water. So we are going to be cooking the potatoes for about 3 minutes or till it comes to a boil. Immediately my potatoes come to a boil, I will take them out of the water. We are not looking to cook this to be very soft, okay? Just enough. After the water boils, it's okay. We want the potatoes to still be firm after this first step. I know this may be sort of like a labor of love, but if you want the crispy results, you should follow this step by step, okay? What I'm transferring my potatoes into is cold water. Yes, chilled water from the fridge, okay? It will help stop the cooking process so that the potatoes don't get any softer, okay? And then I'll transfer my potatoes from the cold water onto my tray lined with paper towels or kitchen towels if you like. I'm going to make sure the potatoes dry very well before I proceed to the next step. So you can just allow it to air dry or with the help of another kitchen towel or paper napkin, just blop the fries dry or the potatoes dry, okay, so that it doesn't take too long before it dries. What I did was to also change the paper towel beneath the potatoes so it doesn't take too long to dry, yeah? So here we are, our dried potatoes. I'm going to transfer it into a Ziploc bag. It's just going to make the process easier. You can do this in a big bowl or whatever. It's okay for you. I'm adding some cornstarch. You can use all-purpose flour if you don't have cornstarch, okay? It also works perfectly. So as you can see, I'm shaking my Ziploc bag so that the flour or cornstarch will coat my fries beautifully, okay? And then this is our first frying. So as you can see, the oil is really hot, okay? I'm going to fry my potatoes for about 6 minutes, I would say. So we are not going to fry till it's golden brown, no. Just fry till you notice the color has changed into a slight yellow. You will see that very soon, okay? So just keep turning and turning till it's enough for you. We are not completely frying this, okay? As you can see, I'm taking my first batch out of the oil and then I'll fry my second batch as well. If you've watched the video till this end, I'm going to assume you like what you're watching. Please give me a thumbs up, okay, whilst you're watching. And when you're done, leave a comment down below and tell me that you passed through, okay? Yes, so once my potatoes are done, I'm going to spread them out once again and allow it to cook completely. Usually it takes about 30 minutes, but you can put it in the fridge to quicken the process, okay? So yes, this is the second time we are frying our potatoes, and this time we are aiming at the golden brown color. So you can tell that my potatoes didn't take a long time to change color. As you can see, it's already started to look golden. Yes, so do not step away from your stove top or your fire, whatever it is you're using to fry your potatoes, okay? So just keep stirring or turning, and before you know it, your potatoes are done. So I would have eaten or broken my potatoes when it was done for you to hear the crunch, okay? But unfortunately, my kids were in the way, okay? They were not cooperating with me with this video call. The boys were hungry and the girl needed my attention. So here you go. I'm thankful I got that sound on camera, okay? So yes, I went ahead to fry my second batch and then my potatoes were ready. My french fries were ready. Once fried, just sprinkle a bit of salt on there and then shake the potatoes, okay? And then let the salt cover each potato and you're good to go. You can add any toppings of your choice, okay? So yes, here we have it. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave your comments down below and share once you're done watching. And until I see you again in another video, please don't forget to keep blooming.